We are working on Drive Down Bonnie Lane. I'm Pat Sloan. This is the pattern that we're doing, and this is the end of the top row with the little clothesline. It's so cute. So I want to show you how to go about layering one of the dresses. So let's go ahead and take a look down here. I've got on my ironing board, this is the background unit that's here. I have actually the houses and the stars rather, and the house part will be over here after it's sewn on. So when I got to this point, I wanted to take just the unit where the clothesline is and press it so that right here there'd be a pressing mark so I can do the lineup of the dresses. And there's 3 dresses. So I do the center one first, and then I can center the other 2 in what's remaining, which will be a lot easier to do. So let me bring you in a little bit closer. There we go. Now this dress has a few parts. So these are the little pockets, which I did from the striped fabric, but I did it going just on the darker polka dots so that it would stand out a little better on there. So we'll put those to the side, and you can see here the little cummerbund and the straps are done horizontal, so you get the stripe. Now I will remove that so you can see it. Now the dress itself has like a bib section, so the straps go over top of the bib so that there's covering the raw edge. This is raw edge applique pieces, so they're, here's somewhere we cut out, where I cut out the pieces. And if you go to my website, there's lots of pictures. So I put the dress and the bib down, and then put the straps. Over top of that, put the little waistband, and then take the pockets, and I kind of put them down a little bit further, and in a little bit. So at this point, the whole dress is laid out. This is underneath, these are on top. This is on top of the bottom, the dress, and then the bib and the strap. So it's on the very top, covering all of those seams. And then I put the little clothespins. Aren't they cute? Look how tiny they are. Then after this, we will take the iron. I've got my Elisa iron here, and I'll be pressing. We go press 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And if it's good and hot, 1, 2, 3. You probably only need about 3 seconds to press it all. And then just check, be sure. Remember, you had to take all the paper off too. So this is how I layer. This is how I layer the dresses for Drive Down Bonnie Lane. Here's the pattern again, and there are 2 more dresses to do. So I have the sections here all laid out and marked, so I know which dress goes with which. And on my website, there's close-up pictures so that you can see the fabrics. And here's the green dress, and it has yellow accents. And then the other sets of clothespins. So there you go. Now you're able to make your clothesline, and then we'll be doing, now you have the pattern, so you can just move ahead if that is what you want to do. Otherwise, the next thing that we will probably get to is we'll either do the next house, I forget what I said, the house or the quilts, because the stars are easy, and we've already done that tree. So we're moving along. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.